Hello friends. I have a series of videos talking about analogies, examples in real life, how we manifest. This is the first one of the sequence called example 1 of manifesting. In this example, I'm going to take something we do all the time, which is you go to a place, you open up your GPS map, like Google Map, and put your direction and take directions and follow the direction. Let me explain why this is a good example, and I'll explain the details here. Hang in there till the end. I have a free course and a free ebook and explain to you how it all fits together. Now, before I go to the example, the thing you got to do, as I said in manifesting, is first is you have a clear desire what you want to do or where you want to go, and then you're going to stay positive. You got to stay in your wish fulfilled or be in a state aligned with your goal state. Let's say you want to go to a location, place A, and you align with your goals. You believe you're going to go there, you are there, you feel happy you go there. That's kind of alignment with the state here. You're not thinking, worrying, wondering, may not happen, that type of thing. Secondly, that you stay positive, happy, that enjoying the journey, enjoy the place. So the thing you got to do is key in your location, your destination address, believe you're going to go there, and stay positive. That's your job. Now you key it into your GPS map or a Google map. That's the universe here. The universe's job is to guide you. So it'll tell you, go left, go right, go straight, take this exit, go along this way. There's a block here, take a detour this way. It'll take care of all the instructions. You don't worry about the direction, left and right. You leave it to the universe. Same way here in the manifesting, you have a goal, you put your desired goal, you stay in the state, you say what you want, your intention, what you want, and you align your state with your state, meaning your thoughts, your words, your belief system aligned with that desire. Same as be in the state of wish fulfilled, or be in the receiving state of law of attraction from Abraham. Wish fulfilled is from Neville Goddard. I talk about state of being, like Bashar talks about. State of being meaning your thoughts, your words, your actions, your beliefs, and your feelings all define your state. You align that state with your desire. Otherwise, if your state is here, your desire here, not aligned, it's not going to happen. So align them with that. If you align, I have a separate video for alignment. Stay there. Now, rest of the how, you leave it to the universe. In this particular example is that, as a classic example of driving. You key in your coordinates and the GPS or the Google map will guide you. You follow instruction. Now that means here in the real world is that you're not sitting quiet. You're not sitting in the car and say, where am I? Or I'm not there. You got to drive. You got to follow instruction. That is still your job. So don't think you're sitting in the couch or something and saying, where is my car? Where's the money? So you got to still act, do things. Same way you're going to drive, follow instruction. When the universe or the GPS tells you to go left, go right, you're still doing it. Same way here, the example correlation here is universe will give you synchronicities. It'll give you guidance. It'll give you intuition. It'll give you some indicators. It'll give you some paths. It'll give you lighten up something. It'll come in terms of bridge of incidents. For example, your friend will call you. Something will happen. A job may open up, or maybe a particular interesting things may happen. So you got to be very open. If you're a positive state, high vibration, these things will appear to you. Wow, that's interesting. My friend called me. Oh, this thing came up here. It's an interesting opening here. Or this opportunity for us making some money. All these things will show up. That's same as GPS saying go left, go right, go straight. That is the same as your world will be indicating some directions to you. You follow that, you listen to it. It's almost like if you don't, almost like Google Map is talking, you don't listen, you just keep on driving. That's what we do. The universe is giving you all the time directions. We don't listen. We just say, oh, we know better. I'm going to take a left. I'm going to take a right. That is not the way. You follow the directions by intuition. You pay attention to the synchronicities. You stay open. You got to still use your mind to some reasonable level, but you look for these clues happening and you follow that. That's the example of how the manifesting in your real life was similar to you put your address, you drive, let the GPS or Google Maps guide you, and you follow that. Your job versus the Google Maps job. In manifesting your desire or the universe's desire, you both play a role. It's a good analogy. I'm going to have a couple of more analogies. I have 7 analogies. This is number 1. I hope you enjoyed it. Gives you a little bit of a taste of how you will behave, how you will act. If you want more, follow my next series of analogy number 2 or example number 2. I'll have a lot of examples like this to illustrate what is your task, what's the universe's task, how you should behave, what the universe will do. In all cases, you have an active role. In all cases, you got to do something. It's not like nowhere I'm going to profess, hey, put your desire and just sit there. No, you're going to act, but the way you act is quite different. The way you don't, some certain things you control, certain things you don't want to overemphasize and control. Well, I hope you like this video. My first example, analogy of how the manifesting correlate to a normal thing we do in our lives. And more number 2, an analogy. If you want, follow up on this video, look for example number 2. I will see you there. Meanwhile, I do have a free ebook and a free masterclass and course. If you'd like to join, sign up in spiritualuniversity.org. I'm in the path for 6+ years, and you can learn a lot from me. I want to give it away. This year I'm giving everything free. Just come and take it. I just want to see you guys manifest. Hope you like the video example. If you like, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll give you more examples like that. These examples will give you a taste as to how you should behave, how you should act, how you can manifest, not to overthink and overemphasize and worry about it. The same way, you go and put the address, you drive, you don't over worry or overthink, you just take guidance, but you got to still drive. You got to be careful and watch and execute your task. That's the example, same way in manifesting. You put your desire, you align your goals, you align your state, and be in a positive way and just execute. Stay positive, be faithful to your goal, be faithful to your desire, be faithful to your state, and then stay positive. Watch the magic happen. I'll guarantee that you will see some wonderful results in your life. I will see you in the next video. Bye. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.